Let's head to Appio.me website. Click on the Create Application button. It has a bunch of templates. Let's choose the Flapping Bird Game template. We need a name for the app. I chose Flip Fly. Here, we are on the edit page of the template. First, we will select a color palette for the app. This is how it looks with color. Here, you can click on the dropper icon and customize the color to your liking. The app needs an icon. Picking an image from the system for the same. Click on the Done button. Choose the layout for icon. I chose this. You can fill up the general details like support email for your app. We will select a monetization option. If you want to monetize your game using AdMob, you have to provide ad IDs while creating the game. If you want to use Meta or Facebook monetization, you can do it once your game is live on Play Store. For now, we will keep it as none. In the Coins tab, you can provide or stick with default values of points details. Save and Continue button will lead us to the content page of the template. At least 3 levels must be created to build the app. To create a level in this game, we need to provide the data such as the name of the level and images for game character, barrier, and location respectively. For the first level, I will name the level as Among Us and upload the data from my system. After adding the required data, hit the Save and Create button. Our first level is created successfully. Now, creating 2 more levels, with names, Horror Hunt, and Space Spin, respectively. This time, I will use an image from the bundle of options provided by the Appio website. It has a huge variety of images for characters, barriers, and locations to pick from. Now, let's click on the Next Options button and head towards the home page. We can see our app here. Hit the double down arrow button. Scroll to where it says Build Files. To build our app, click the Build App Bundle button. It takes approx 10 minutes to 2 hours to build, depending upon load on our server. Let's also build the media pack, which contains the app icon, feature graphics, and app screenshots. These media files are required while publishing the game on the Google Play Store. To preview your game, you can download and install the APK file on your mobile device. After a few minutes, the build process is completed. Let's download the zip file. Time to view the media package. This is an app icon, and these are feature graphics. These are mobile screenshots. These are screenshots for the 7-inch tablet. These are 10-inch tablet screenshots. Keep learning, keep earning. Bye.